In 2016, scientists were shocked to watch a video of a comb jelly, a simple sea creature, showing two holes where waste came out. Comb jellies are ancient animals, possibly over 600 million years old, and were believed to have a basic digestive system where food and waste came out of the same hole. But this discovery challenged everything scientists thought they knew about how animals evolved anuses. Traditionally, animals were thought to have evolved a separate mouth and anus to become more complex. Before this, many simple creatures, like jellyfish and sea anemones, were thought to have a simple, sac-like, digestive system, where food and waste came out of the same hole. This system was fine for small, simple animals, but it had its limits. They couldn't eat new food until the old food was fully digested. Over time, some animals evolved a through gut, where food entered one hole, got digested, and waste came out of a different hole. This change was seen as a major step in animal evolution. Scientists thought this change happened about 600 million years ago, marking the start of more complex creatures. In the past, scientists used the velvet worm as a model to explain how anuses evolved. In velvet worms, an embryo starts with a single hole that eventually splits into two, one for the mouth and one for the anus. This became the accepted theory about how the first anuses appeared. However, this idea began to change. Some animals, like starfish and earthworms, develop their mouth and anus in different ways. And some animals, like certain worms, can even have multiple anuses. This led scientists to rethink the idea that all animals evolved through a single, simple process. One important realization came in 2016 when scientists watched a comb jelly excreting waste from two holes. This discovery challenged the idea that simple animals had simple digestive systems. For years, scientists thought comb jellies just had one hole for food and waste, but it turns out they might have a through gut, just like more complex animals. This discovery suggests that the evolution of the anus might not have been a simple progression from sac-like systems to more complex tube systems. Instead, animals might have evolved their digestive systems in different ways, based on their needs. Some creatures might have started with a through gut, only to lose it later, while others might have developed it independently. The traditional view that animals evolved from simple to complex is being questioned. Some animals, like the comb jelly, may have always had a through gut but evolved to lose it for their survival. This challenges the idea that having a separate anus was a necessary step for animals to become more complex. Modern technology is helping scientists explore these questions in more detail. By studying the genes and cells that make up anuses, researchers are beginning to understand how they form and why different animals have different types of anuses. Some animals may have developed them in unique ways, and scientists are now trying to uncover these secrets.